Data East Time Machine MPU came in with some relatively simple issue. You can see one of those tip 102s is different. That's one of the special solenoids. It was toast, so I replaced it, and also replaced the zener up here and header here, and I always replaced the power header. Gave it an VRAM so that batteries would no longer be required. This is a good clean board. It's one of the early boards. It doesn't have the ability to drive the solenoids from the CPU. It just operates on the switches. So let's put it in the test. And the reason the bottom display is hinky is because this display is not the right kind for Data East Time Machine. But I did test this display with Simpsons ROMs in it, and the display circuitry on this board is working perfectly. So let's do switch tests. And I've run through those on when I had the Simpsons ROMs in. It's a little tough to tell what's going on without the lower display here, but those are all working just fine. And then the next test is active switch. Thinks there's a bad switch, but there is no bad switch. It's just because probably Time Machine's looking for a specific closed switch. I'm gonna swip the coil test. This is painfully slow to watch on Data East boards of this revision. That's 3 and 3A, 4 and 4A. I'm not going to let this go through all the way. I got other things I got to do, but I am going to rake the switch inputs here with a ground wire, and you'll be able to see the special solenoids work properly. Of course, I have to connect the special solenoids up. There we go, now we're connected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are all working properly again. And you could do individual coil tests, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to get out of this and reboot. Track mode working perfectly. No coils locked on. Board's good to go. Thank you so much.